In this video, we learn about progression. Before seeing the definition of progression, let us understand what is meant by a sequence. A sequence is a set of numbers arranged in some particular order. A sequence is a set of numbers arranged in some particular order. Those sequences whose terms follow certain patterns are called progression. The sequences whose terms follow certain patterns are called progression. A progression has a specific formula to calculate its nth term. Now we shall see what is an arithmetic progression. An arithmetic progression is a sequence of numbers in which the consecutive terms are formed by adding a constant quantity with the preceding term. In an arithmetic progression, the consecutive terms are formed by adding a constant quantity with the preceding term. The constant term that is added is called the common difference. Common difference of an arithmetic progression is the constant term that is added to each term to get the following term. The arithmetic progression can also be defined as follows. An arithmetic progression is a sequence with the difference between two consecutive terms constant. In an arithmetic progression, the difference between any two consecutive terms will be the same. And the difference is called the common difference. Now we shall see an example. How to check whether a sequence is an arithmetic progression. Here, the second term is obtained by adding 3 to the first term. The third term is again obtained by adding 3 to the second term. The fourth term is obtained by adding 3 to the third term, and so on. So, this is an arithmetic progression. Or we can check whether this is an AP by another way. Second term minus first term is equal to 3. Third term minus second term is again equal to 3. Fourth term minus third term is again 3. So, the difference between any two consecutive terms in this sequence of numbers is a constant, and that constant is 3. So, this is an arithmetic progression with common difference 3. Now, we shall see the formula for finding the nth term of an arithmetic progression. The nth term is obtained as an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, where a denotes the first term and d denotes the common difference. We shall see an example. In this example, we have to find the 14th term of the AP 3, 7, 11, 15. To confirm whether this is an AP, we need only to check whether the difference between two consecutive terms is the same for the entire sequence. So let us see the value of second term minus first term. Second term minus first term is 4. Now third term minus second term is again 4. Fourth term minus second term is 4. So, this is an AP with common difference 4 and first term equal to 3. So the value of A equal to 3 and D equal to 4. So the 12th term can be obtained using the formula A plus n minus 1 into D, where A equal to 3, n equal to 14, because we have to find the 14th term of the AP. N equal to 14, so n minus 1 equal to 13 and D equal to 4. So the 12th term we obtain as 55. Now we shall see what is a geometric progression. A geometric progression is a sequence of numbers in which the consecutive terms are formed by multiplying a constant quantity with the preceding term. That is, if the terms are formed by multiplying a constant quantity with the preceding term, it is a geometric progression. The constant term that is multiplied is called the common ratio. The constant term that is multiplied is called the common ratio. A geometric progression can also be defined as a geometric progression is a sequence with the ratio between two consecutive terms constant. A geometric progression is a sequence with the ratio between two consecutive terms constant, and this constant ratio is called the common ratio. We shall see an example. Here, the second term is equal to first term into 4. Third term equal to second term into 4. Fourth term equal to third term into 4. So each term of the sequence is obtained by multiplying the preceding term with the quantity 4. So this is a geometric progression with common ratio 4. Or we can check it as follows. Second term divided by first term equal to 4. Third term divided by second term equal to 4. Fourth term divided by third term equal to 4, and so on. So this is a geometric progression with common ratio 4. Now we shall see the formula for finding the nth term of a geometric progression. The nth term is obtained as an equal to a into r raised to n minus 1, where a denotes the first term, r denotes the common ratio. The nth term is obtained as an equal to a into r raised to n minus 1. We shall see an example. In this example, we have to find the 8th term of the geometric progression 2, 6, 18, etc. In this geometric progression, the first term is 2. Now to find the common ratio, let us check whether the ratio of every consecutive term is a constant. So, second term by first term, that is 6 by 2 equal to 3. Third term by second term, that is 18 by 6 equal to again 3. So this is a geometric progression with common ratio 3. And first term equal to 2. So 8th term is obtained by substituting the values in the formula a into r raised to n minus 1, where a equal to 2, r equal to 3 and n minus 1. N, we have to find the 8th term. So n equal to 8. So n minus 1 equal to 7. And we get the answer as 4374. Thank you.